Me tem uma semana na Los Angeles e eu estava uma semana de mais duro, porque mais leuk também. Basicamente, nossa igreja e a Victory Outreach está internacional, então nós acabamos de ter uma conferência com miles de gente. Então estava assim leuk, pero me estava assim malo, ainda me estava not back, pero ada um recap de tudo que como vai, então também quando uma passa e certas coisas não come.
Gotta do good at this rate.
Don't you think like that? I will love you endlessly.
I got he still got my back. Also attached, I don't need a strap. Never thought that he would take me back. I will love you forever. Yeah. Now I see the truth. I'm believing in you. I can't know. Straight from the 8. I'm walking with God. I don't need a drink. The devil be talking, I don't entertain. I'm walking in faith. I'm sowing my seed. I did it in faith. I gave it to God, and He made it great. Put me in good soil and took out the snakes. God, I do good at this rate. Don't you think like that? I will love you endlessly. If you only believe the King.